How to get the crying filter on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to get the crying filter on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we actually need to do first is to head into the Snapchat application on the phone. And the reason to why we need to do that is because Snapchat has this crying filter that we want. TikTok does not have this filter in their app, but keep watching. I will show you how to transfer the crying filter into TikTok. So what we're going to do is to find the crying filter in here. And to do that, we need to click right here on the search icon and then search for crying face. And then click right here. When you have done that, then click right here to turn the camera towards you so that it can detect your face. And as you can see, I now have that filter. Even if I smile, I still look sad and crying, basically. So now I'm going to take a quick video of this by clicking right here. And then when I have done that, then I will need to click right here to save it to my phone. So when I've saved the video to my phone, then I will go into the TikTok app. And now I will need to click right here on this plus symbol. Click where it says upload and then find that video that you just saved to your mobile. And as you can see, you now have the crying filter on TikTok and you can click where it says next. And then if you want to post it to TikTok, then just simply click where it says post. And also, if you're not happy with that filter, then don't worry. You can just go back into Snapchat and just search for crying filter or just crying. And you will see that there's actually a lot of different variation of this filter. So don't worry. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.